Hi everyone! Sherry from QuantConnect here with your flash briefing Rebalance. Here's how QuantConnect is pioneering tomorrow's trading with you this week. All bootcamp tutorials are now available as a Udemy course, along with brand new quiz questions for each lesson that help solidify concepts. You can find it in the link below. Future buying power models were updated to match the margin requirements from the exchanges. When working with futures now, the initial margin value, rather than the contract value, is used to calculate the maximum order quantity. This allows you to use set holdings with future contracts. Assets with higher intraday margin are now adjusted 10 minutes before the market closes, using a new property, exchange.closing soon. This ensures end-of-day margin calls are accurately modeled during the closing minutes. Finally, the GetLastKnownPrice method was extended to retry fetching for illiquid securities. This ensures that even illiquid securities are set to their last market price. For those securities, the look-back period is increased to 3 trading days of data. Like staying updated on the latest QC news? Throw us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for listening to this week's Rebalance, and happy coding!